Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fantastic way to rock that feels good, but it also stimulates your brain in a different way. So, as you know, hopefully, rocking is just simply getting on your hands and knees and just rocking back and forth. But what we're going to do today is we're going to change our foot position 1 foot at a time. So I'm going to take my left foot and go into dorsiflexion while I keep my right foot in plantar flexion. And I'm going to rock back here. Now, I know this is a very ridiculously subtle change, but it makes a huge difference in how you rock or what you feel when you rock. Not only that, it stimulates your brain in a different way, or the hemispheres of your brain in a different way because your limbs are doing different things. Now we can also take the opposite hand and externally rotate it to give this arm a little bit of a different position as well. So now I rock back and then I can rock across on that opposite wrist in a much different way. So it's almost like we're doing kind of diagonal rocking, kind of not. We're just exploring those two limbs that are in different positions. All right, and then we're going to switch. So I'm going to go laces down here or plantar flexion here, dorsiflexion here. I'm going to externally rotate this hand or shoulder, and I'm going to rock here. And this does feel, well, it just feels good, but it also does stimulate your brain in a different way, which is good because when you walk, your limbs are doing different things. One's landing on the heel, one's pushing off the toe. Anyway, things are just different. And this is a great way to introduce differences to your brain, but also it feels good and it gives your body, it teaches your body a lot of things. This is how you can learn stability and movement at the same time. You can learn that anyway when you rock, but this is just another variable that you can adjust to explore different things, teach your body more options. And the more options you have, the better off you are. Anyway, it's ridiculously simple. You can externally rotate one hand, take that opposite leg and go into dorsiflexion. Or you can be creative and make your own adjustments too. If you wanted to go on your fist and rotate down, you certainly could. But that's our tip this week. Just if nothing else, play with your foot positions. Keep one plantar flexion, go one in dorsiflexion. If you feel froggy, play with the arms. All right, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.